Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe.
And hit the like button.
Okay, so this is called the Macau Pass, and I just happen to have a little version of it that I just put on my keychain. But usually these are in the form of cards. You can buy these cards at 7-Eleven, Circle K, any kind of convenience store. They're about the size of a credit card. So basically, I use it for the buses. So if you're going to visit Macau and you're going to ride around on the buses, you definitely want to get a Macau Pass. So basically with these passes, you can put some money on it. So maybe you put on 100 MOP or 200 MOP or 300 MOP. And that'll be like, 10 American dollars, 25 American dollars, 40 American dollars, whatever you want to put on it. Put on 100 American dollars, and then you can actually, usually people use this for the buses and vending machines. So that way you don't have to carry around coins. And there's some kind of like pennies that we have here too. They're about equivalent, they're almost the same thing. They're kind of like almost useless. And so a lot of times I use these because I don't have to carry around pennies. I don't have to have the change in it. So yeah, these little things are called the Macau Pass. And you definitely want to get them if you're going to visit Macau. Okay, anything else I want to say about that? I think that's it. I do want to say a couple more things. There's also one of these for Hong Kong called the octopus card. So, if people are familiar with Hong Kong, they know what that means, octopus. Basically, you use it for buses and vending machines and different places. But pretty much everybody in Macau has this. If you have a car, you can use it for parking, so you don't have to put change in machines. So basically, it's just a very convenient way. It's almost acts like a credit card or debit card in a way. Except you'll prepay, you put money on it, and then you just carry it around and just kind of swipe it on anything. So you just kind of put some money in there. Okay, so that's the Macau Pass. Hope you enjoyed that little bit of Macau information.